The 2014 Municipal Traffic Safety Initiatives Awards Program is made possible by a grant from the Texas Department of Transportation. Hundreds of courts across the state help the Texas Municipal Courts Education Center and the Texas Municipal Courts Association raise awareness about the importance of traffic safety and the dangers of drinking and driving. In 2014, 25 municipal courts submitted MTSI award applications. Each and every application exhibited innovative and unique methods for disseminating their traffic safety messages, and thus, all applicants deserve praise for the role they have played in making Texas a safer place. Today, we recognize 5 low-volume courts from cities with populations below 30,000. Their outstanding work shows that even cities with small court staffs can make a difference in educating the public about traffic safety and not drinking while driving. Harker Heights' close proximity to Fort Hood means that this small town has an unusually high number of out-of-state, out-of-town, and even international drivers passing through. Such drivers may be unfamiliar with local traffic laws, so traffic safety education is particularly important in Harker Heights. When the court staff taught summer camp children about traffic safety, they also conducted a traffic safety poster contest. The winners received school supplies for the school year, and the posters were uploaded to the court's website. The Harker Heights Municipal Court also offers teen court. The Bell County Sheriff's Office has allowed teen court participants to visit a county jail facility where they saw firsthand DWI offenders in the drunk tank. The Harker Heights Municipal Court also brings its traffic safety information display booth to local events such as the Big Truck Show. At this event, which features fire trucks, ambulances, police armored vehicles, dump trucks, and other large vehicles, the court conducts a traffic safety activity to educate children on how traffic safety applies to these vehicles. Judge Kevin Madison and the Lakeway Municipal Court have consistently been recognized by the MTSI Awards due to their steadfast commitment to raising awareness about traffic safety issues and taking action to prevent crashes. In August, Judge Madison launched a traffic safety Facebook page with an emphasis on teen driver safety. Almost immediately, the Facebook page had over 200 friends. Judge Madison also worked with the Lake Travis Community Library to create a distinct traffic safety section at the library. The library features the Jacqueline Sabarito Before and After DVD media packet, free for the public to bring home. This packet shows the catastrophic consequences that can result from drinking and driving. The Lakeway Municipal Court itself is adorned with various traffic safety messages. Specifically, there is a display table with traffic safety items such as no texting and driving bracelets and laminated posters. Judge Madison is also known for personally snapping photographs of distracted drivers. After he enlarges these photos, he hangs them on a wall of the courtroom affectionately known as the Wall of Shame. There is also a PowerPoint titled 20 Reasons Not to Text and Drive, which plays continuously in the courthouse lobby. This PowerPoint has also been posted online, where it has been viewed by more than 2,100 people. The Linden Municipal Court employs a uniquely personal approach to improving traffic safety. Judge McMillan, rather than merely ordering parents to pay a fine in juvenile cases, often gets more creative. For example, she may order the teen to write a research paper on the offense for which the teen has been present in court. Judge McMillan also sometimes instructs the teen to keep a journal of discussions with his or her parents or guardian. The catch is that these discussions must relate to topics such as underage drinking or seatbelt use. Chief Court Clerk Terry Price says that she has witnessed teens that were previously unable to communicate with their parents come out of this assignment as best friends with their parents. The Linden Municipal Court enjoyed a successful Municipal Courts Week in November. With the assistance of the Texas Department of Transportation, local residents enjoyed the company of crash test dummies Vince and Larry. There was also a treasure chest filled with prizes that brought awareness to the dangers of drinking and driving, underage drinking, and texting and driving. In December, the court set up a DWI Christmas tree in the foyer. Hanging on the tree were humorous ornaments that contained serious messages. One festive ornament had a picture of Santa Claus and said, "He sees you when you're drinking. He knows when you're .08." The Magnolia Municipal Court runs a particularly strong campaign against drinking and driving and texting and driving. The court works closely with the Magnolia Police Department to educate the public on traffic safety. The court and police department utilize some very innovative tools to get their message across, including putting a person with drunk goggles on in a golf cart and seeing if they can drive straight. Unsurprisingly, those that gave it a shot did not fare so well. They also have a race car simulator where the driver attempts to drive while texting. Even youngsters without their driver's licenses are encouraged to try in hopes that they will develop safe habits before they are allowed on actual roadways. The court and police department also use a rollover simulator to give folks a sample of the terror of a rollover. The court offers scores of traffic safety materials, including t-shirts with messages such as drinking, driving, seriously, and don't be a loaded weapon. Don't drive distracted. Seeing a 350% caseload increase from 2012 to 2013 did not deter the Moulton Municipal Court's efforts to increase traffic safety. The court brought a renewed awareness to seatbelt safety by participating in the summer 2013 Click It or Ticket program, which improved seatbelt law compliance from 60% to a staggering 93%. In October, the court's first ever National Night Out event was a huge success. The court offered traffic safety materials, and there was even a rollover simulator to drive home the traffic safety message. During Municipal Court Week, the Moulton Municipal Court held a poster contest for elementary students with the theme, "Every Life Counts in Moulton, Texas." Poster topics included the dangers of drinking and driving, texting while driving, and speeding, as well as the importance of safety belts and bicycle safety. The winning students received a Dairy Queen gift certificate and had their posters displayed at the courthouse. We now recognize 3 medium volume courts serving populations between 30,000 and 150,000 that deserve praise for putting great effort into bringing traffic safety to the forefront in their communities. The College Station Municipal Court conducts a litany of traffic safety and alcohol awareness related activities and programs. Over the summer, Judge Spillane worked with Texas A&M on a peer-to-peer education pilot program called Watch Your Back Alcohol Awareness Program. In this program, defendants who plead guilty to alcoholic beverage code violations would participate in this peer-to-peer program as part of their community service hours. Judge Spillane also worked with the organization Teens in the Driver's Seat to develop innovative ways to reduce the number of teen traffic deaths. The Take the Pledge campaign seeks to not only educate city employees on the dangers of texting and driving, but also to have them take an oath that they will not text and drive. Over 100 city employees made the pledge. The College Station Municipal Court also offers Teen Court as an alternative to traditional fines for teen offenders. In Teen Court, safe driving habits are emphasized through requiring teen drivers to complete a driver safety course. Non-licensed teens are required to write a 500-word essay on the dangers, risk, and consequences of driving without a license. And in Teen Court, defendants are required to also serve as jurors to sentence other teen offenders. The LaPorte Municipal Court conducts a wide variety of traffic safety and alcohol awareness programs on a regular basis. One of the marquee programs of the LaPorte Municipal Court is the Shattered Dreams program. Typically a 2-day event, the program features a staged drunk driving crash involving the active participation of students, parents, educators, and community representatives. The impaired student driver appears in court for a mock arraignment and pre-trial hearing. There are also mock obituaries that truly make the program's message hit home. The lobby of the LaPorte Municipal Court contains a wide variety of both English and Spanish traffic safety materials. There is also a community bulletin board where DPS and TxDOT posters hang. The ROC Juvenile Program, which stands for Responsibility, Opportunity, Consequences, Knowledge, is a form of alternative sentencing for juveniles in LaPorte. The court purchased a Sydney simulated driving experience, which allows participants to experience firsthand the delayed reactions of impaired or distracted drivers. The court also purchased a complete distracted and impaired driving classroom kit for the benefit of ROC juveniles. This kit includes fatal vision goggles, walk the line tape, DVDs, and more. The ROC program frequently has speakers from the Bay Area Council on Drugs and Alcohol, DPS, and MAD. The ROC program also brought the My Life, My Power program to LaPorte, which focuses on anti-bullying. In San Marcos, the municipal court puts a strong emphasis on reaching out to students of all ages to educate them on various topics related to traffic safety. For example, the juvenile case coordinator will discuss the importance of using a booster seat to kindergartners and first and second graders. One strategy the court uses to get the message across is to have children repeat catchy phrases, such as, "You must ride in a booster seat until you're 8, because they help to keep you safe and because it's the law." For third graders, the juvenile case coordinator discusses how to stay safe around town, the importance of not sitting in the front seat until you're 13 years old, and information about airbags. Flashcards are also presented, some depicting safe behavior and some depicting unsafe behavior. Third graders then identify which behaviors are safe or unsafe. During Red Ribbon Week, the juvenile case coordinator spoke to 6th through 8th graders on the dangers of alcohol, drinking and driving, and tobacco. The goal is to preemptively educate these students on the dangers of drinking and driving before they have their driver's licenses. Students also watch a video of the story of Jackie Sabarito, a young woman who was severely injured when she was hit by a drunk driver. The San Marcos Municipal Court of Records also collaborated with a local high school to conduct a mock trial on cell phone use in school zones. This not only helped students learn about laws concerning cell phones in school zones, but also educated them on court procedures. The San Marcos Municipal Court also took some reactive measures toward those receiving traffic citations. Following the belief that a fine is not always fine for juvenile offenders, the court offers alternative sentencing, such as Teen Court or the Alive at 25 Driver's Awareness Course. This program, for drivers aged 15 to 24, focuses on the dangers of drinking and driving, distracted driving, and speeding. 2. High-volume courts serving populations greater than 150,000 showed that it is possible to raise traffic safety awareness even in the largest metropolitan areas. The Arlington Municipal Court prides itself on raising traffic safety awareness for all ages, from the youngest passengers to senior citizens. Court Clerk Nancy Marshall, a certified child passenger safety seat technician, routinely performs child safety seat inspections and has revealed that approximately 4 out of every 5 child seats are installed improperly. Ms. Marshall used these startling findings to secure a Safe Riders Booster mini grant. The grant has allowed the court to give out free booster seats to those in need as long as they take a course on how to properly install the seat. The Arlington Municipal Court has worked in conjunction with the Arlington Police Department, the Tarrant County District Attorney's Office, and the media to work towards decreasing the number of alcohol-related traffic collisions. For juveniles, the court offers Teen Court as an alternative sentencing. At Teen Court, there are often presentations concerning the dangers of drug and alcohol use, distracted driving, and pedestrian safety. The court also has a portable traffic safety booth stocked with a multitude of traffic safety materials. The booth is often brought to schools and local community events. In May, the court partnered with the city's Health and Wellness, Parks and Recreation, and Animal Services departments to host the first annual Traffic 1K and 5K Safety Run Walk. Awards were given to the winners, and everyone came away with some traffic safety giveaways. Just down the road from Arlington is the city of Irving, which also has a municipal court that puts a strong emphasis on traffic safety. Their second annual Teen Driver Safety Week featured two compelling speakers. Sean Carter, who overcame severe injuries sustained in a drinking and driving crash, and Jamie Nash, who was involved in a collision because she was texting and driving. Both speakers spoke in detail to teens about their traumatic experiences and the importance of preventing similar crashes in the future. Teen Driver Safety Week also featured interactive exhibits such as a mock field sobriety test. Teens would put on fatal vision goggles, and a police officer would give them a field sobriety test. There was also a talk, text, crash driving simulator. The Irving Municipal Court has an ongoing partnership with Mothers Against Drunk Driving to provide MAD, Victim Impact Panel sessions for minors with alcohol offenses. These sessions point out the dangers of drinking and driving with a focus on changing minors' attitudes and behaviors. This program is mandatory for those fulfilling alcohol-related community service. Judge Anderson also held a training session for the North Texas Court Clerks Association and presented a session titled, "What Does Being a Court Clerk Have to Do with Traffic Safety?" In this presentation, she encouraged clerks to evaluate and increase their municipal traffic safety initiatives. The Irving Municipal Court participates in numerous annual traffic safety events, including the Walk Like Mad Walk, Cinco de Mayo, the Irving Bicycle Safety Fair, National Night Out, and Municipal Court Week. While we can only formally recognize a limited number of courts in 2014's outstanding applicant pool, a few municipal courts are offering innovative traffic safety programs which warrant honorable mention. The Balch Springs Municipal Court has come up with a unique way to deter speeding by young drivers. After the death of a minor driver in a single-car collision caused solely by speed, the court, along with prosecutor Bonnie Goldstein, created the Death Book. The Death Book begins with the young man's obituary. Young drivers who are cited for speeding are required to read the Death Book and then write their own obituary and also write about the hazards of speeding. The City of Hutto's Municipal Court has implemented monthly themes in order to educate its citizens and visitors on a wide variety of traffic safety topics. For example, January was Distracted Drivers Month. April was Drinking and Driving Month. May was Seatbelt Safety Month. This year-round approach ensures that traffic safety messages are diverse and ever-present. The Pasadena Municipal Court deserves commendation for their participation in parades and other local events. In 2013, the court had an entry in 2 parades. At the Holiday Lighted Parade, the court sponsored the Santa Claus sleigh with traffic safety messages. The court also participated in the Pasadena Strawberry Festival Parade with a float highlighting bicycle, skateboard, and roller skate safety. The court also conducted other projects, such as having Christmas characters serve as role players in the explanation of how a jury trial works. The Texas Municipal Courts Education Center would like to express our gratitude for the superlative job that each and every applicant has done to improve traffic safety awareness in their respective communities. In addition to the courts already mentioned, we commend the municipal courts from Bryan, Burleson, Conroe, El Paso, Frisco, Houston, Louisville, McKinney, Nassau Bay, New Braunfels, Tom Bean, Windcrest, and the 100-plus other courts that participated in Municipal Courts Week and National Night Out. We are already looking forward to seeing what new and innovative traffic safety programs and ideas municipal courts come up with next year.